Just got a package delivered. I think I know what it is, and y'all are gonna love it.
Hi, I'm Cameron Macer. This is Dirty Talk. Welcome to my detecting world. I'll get more accessories as they're released, but for now, this is what I have. The bone conduction headphones. These are primarily for diving and underwater use, but you can use them on land. And these are pretty cool because they transmit the sound through the bones in your ear. In other words, it's not really earbuds. They don't go in your ear. They go in front of your ear. But I'll demonstrate those in a later video. I also got the 11-inch fast multi-frequency coil. Not much to see in there, just a coil and the hardware. And last but not least, this is probably what brought you here, the DEUS II. So first off, XP did a good job redesigning the box with new colorful graphics. The old box was kind of plain. And inside there's lots of stuff. First off, I want to mention this full color manual. They really did a good job on this. Has everything you need to know, step-by-step instructions, all your settings, programs, all kinds of stuff. I highly recommend you read this manual. It's going to be very helpful. Also, you can download a PDF version for your phone. That's right from their website, www.xpmetal-detectors.com. The remote comes in this nice carrying case. And be careful when you take it out because this little connector plug, whatever you call it, tends to get hung up when you slide it out. So to do so, just kind of bend this back as you're sliding it out. It's a little thicker than the original DEUS remote. Possibly a little heavier. It just feels more robust. And it's definitely waterproof. For comparison, here's the original DEUS remote. So the new one is slightly taller, a little bit thicker, and a little wider. But generally about the same size. Just feels so cool. It's like has this like beefy protector around it. Should be very solid. And always leave the screen protectors on mine. As you can see, this DEUS is 5 years old and it still has the original screen protector on it. Much has changed with the handle. It's still the familiar S-shaped, fully telescopic and adjustable. They did redesign the grip. It's a different kind of texture than the original DEUS. Here we have the headphones in its hard plastic case. These are the WS6. And this puck slides off just like the WS4 puck. We have a big bag of accessories and parts. Have the charging clip, the forearm strap, the coil hardware, the data connector, and the charging cable. Oh, and also the little power supply that you plug into the wall. USB outlet. Here we have the underwater kit. This is the antenna wire that runs from the coil to the receiver, and it clips right on the stem. Pretty neat that XP included this. With the DEUS, it was an extra accessory that you had to buy. So that's about it for the unboxing. The DEUS II looks to be a pretty formidable machine, and can't wait to get it out and find some good stuff with it. So back to these coils. Like I said earlier, this is 11-inch fast multi-frequency coil, and the frequencies range from 4 to 45 kilohertz simultaneously. And putting these together is a little different than coils from other manufacturers, and even has a handy little guide on the parts bag to show you. It's also in the main owner's manual. But basically there's a little rubber washer here. I don't know if you can see this in the video, but the rubber washer goes on the left side. And then you've got your wing nut, your adapter, and then the bolt goes in from the left. So be mindful of this when you're putting it together. Follow the directions, because if you don't, you could break off these little ears. But I like to just go like this. It's pretty easy when you do it the magic way. But anyway, the bolt goes in from this side, your rubber washer on this side, the little spacer adapter piece, whatever it's called, goes here, and then your wing nut. And there you have it. And you also get spare mounting hardware, because eventually these rubber washers kind of get too compressed and they don't tighten up as well in your coil. But they should last a long time. I've never actually had to change any of mine. But if one breaks or if you lose a part, you have spares.